Planning a move from Conway to Bella Vista? Whether you're relocating for work, family, school, or a fresh start, it helps to understand what can affect your moving cost before you start comparing quotes. A Conway to Bella Vista move is an in-state relocation, but distance still matters. Movers may factor in mileage, travel time, fuel, routing, and how long the truck and crew are needed for the job. The size of your home plays a big role. Moving a small apartment is usually simpler than moving a multi-bedroom house because there are fewer boxes, furniture pieces, and heavy items to load and unload. Before requesting a quote, make a quick inventory of what you're taking. Sofas, beds, appliances, office furniture, garage items, and outdoor equipment can all change the amount of truck space and labor needed. If you're busy or moving on a tight schedule, packing services can be helpful. Professional movers can assist with boxes, wrapping, padding, and fragile items, but those services may affect the final estimate. Movers also consider how easy it is to reach your items. Stairs, elevators, long driveways, limited parking, narrow hallways, or a long carry from the truck can add time to the move. Have a piano, safe, antique cabinet, large sectional, gym equipment, or fragile electronics? Mention those early. Special items may require extra care, equipment, or additional movers. Weekends, holidays, and end-of-month dates can book up faster. Planning ahead gives you more time to compare moving companies, choose the right service level, and avoid rushed decisions. Before booking, ask for a clear breakdown of the quote. Check whether labor, transportation, fuel, packing materials, basic coverage, and possible extra charges are included. For more moving cost details and relocation guidance, visit 3movers.com and read the full Conway to Bella Vista moving guide.